Hello, everyone. Thank you all for being here today for today's gratitude guided meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Take a moment to settle into your body. As you rest in this peaceful state, let your mind drift as you listen to my words. Be present in the current situation. Allow any duties or tasks that you still have for today to melt away. As you inhale and exhale, bring your awareness to the breath. With each breath, feel gratitude rising in you for that breath. Feel grateful for each breath as you take in. Every breath is precious and valuable. You are alive, which is a blessing. Feel that blessing and gratefulness as you breathe in and out. Now, bring your awareness to your body and bring them in the spotlight. Fingers, toes, eyes, ears, skin. Notice the warmth and become aware of the blood flowing throughout and nourishing every cell in your body. Truly a wonder of nature. Now, give attention to your heartbeat. Notice its quiet rhythm. Feel gratefulness with each beat. Your heart is truly miraculous, pulsing with life. Become aware of the marvel that your body is, the beauty of how the lungs is getting filled with air. Every heartbeat allowing the blood to flow from your head to toes. A body that can move and feel and do incredible and beautiful things. When you feel yourself drifting from appreciation, come back to the wonder of breath, the marvel of your heart, the magic of your body. With every inhalation, imagine that every inch of your body is lighted by that breath of air flowing through the blood throughout the body. You are here, present at this moment, and that's a beautiful thing. Now, remind yourself that life is a precious gift and you're blessed with one. Spend a few moments just feeling the gratitude, enjoying its positivity. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale through your mouth. Bring your attention back to the surroundings and arise. With every exhalation, feel each area of the body is getting relaxed and gently whisper to yourself the mantra, I am grateful. Repeat this mantra one more time. I am grateful. With the sense of gratefulness in your heart, slowly open your eyes whenever you're ready.